Alright, so Lithium Cycles made it happen. Here it is, the Super 73 S1. Thank you guys very much for making that work. I'll be able to demo this for the rest of the week. Let's go through some of the specs. You can also look a lot of this up online, but I like this part. Look how cool that is with the halo light in front. Good close-up view of that. We have the hydraulic brakes. Smooth, very, very smooth. Dual disc brake, front and back. It has a cadence sensor, but they are coming out, I think the European bikes they were telling me have the torque sensing, which is great, and the torque sensing will be coming here too. This one comes with the rear rack. This light right here. See how that goes off? Nice. Just by hitting the brakes. That's a 500-watt motor. We've got a place here for mounting a drink or something like that. Battery pack, seat, and let's take it, let's take it through the computer LCD control. I have the light on right now, so this is backlit. And then it has 3 different modes: eco, mid, and high, or off. So I guess technically that's 4 modes, to get that straight. And I've got my camera mount right here. Let's put the camera on there. This thing's going to spin around. Bear with me. I know, it's probably annoying. Don't quite have the time to get my other camera situation squared away. And then we do a quarter turn because that works better with the wind. Oh, the other thing is, this 360 camera, if you look down, you can see the kickstand. Really cool. You just have to lean forward and it comes up just like that. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to pedal it to the other side on the smoother track, and just because this particular mount where it's at, it's a little bumpy, I think, on the dirt roads. Oh yeah, put on the old glasses here to see what we're doing. Alright, and it's got a thumb throttle as well, so both thumb and pedal. So right now I don't have, in fact, we just turn it off. Okay, it's completely off. This thing is super easy to pedal. It's supposedly, when I looked on the site, it's 70 pounds. 70 pounds, we'll pick it up. Yeah, so it kind of feels like 70 pounds, but the interesting thing is, it's super easy to pedal, and I don't know if that's part of the design or what, but the way it's laid out, and the gear ratio, I would assume, there's a slight incline here. You can see it's, if you were to run out of power, it'd be pretty easy to make that work. Oh yeah, and speaking of that,
it'll go 35 to 40 miles distance.
And so now what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the first mode. We'll cruise around here. And I'm going to take this on my full commute tomorrow. Telecommuted today, so that was the Irvine police right there. Are we going to go? Be kind. Alright. So, with the cadence sensing right now, cadence sensing is on. We're in the first mode. Very chill. The balance distribution is quite nice too. There's nothing strange about that. You have the weight of the hub motor in the back, and the kind of counter to that is the battery here. Yeah, this takes me to, just with like average light pedaling, up to about 12 miles an hour. I'm going to pop it into medium. There you definitely feel that. Now I'm at 18. That's at 18. Now high. You feel another rush. That's got power. 22 miles an hour, 23. Yeah, so it definitely takes you up there. Top speed's around 20. let's test out the brakes. Yeah, really smooth. I do like the hydraulic brakes. I hadn't had those before. I tried on another bike. This bike has it too. It's just so nice. You have way less adjustments as well. Okay, and then we've got the throttle, so I can just stop pedaling, do throttle. You can hear the motor engaged, but it's kind of normal. Okay, and that's on eco, right? When I let off the throttle, okay, and it behaves medium. Now it's at medium speed. So the throttle matches the mode in which you have it. Yeah, see 22.8. And you turn the light on by pushing the power button again. You toggle that on and off. That's cool. Miles. So I thought I would just post a quick update. It's got a really nice feel to it. It's easy to get on. So I know like my daughters, they're some of the larger bikes that I've got, they're really intimidated by them, where this one is definitely way smoother. So let's bump over this way. That's all I had. I just wanted to do a little bit of a tour of the bike. Stop it right here. Yes, we're kind of spoiled here. This is a great environment to check bikes out. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be commuting on it tomorrow and the next day, at least through Friday. So it's going to be fun. I'm really looking forward to this. All right, you guys take care. Bye.